Starting an online business is an excellent way for beginners to dive into entrepreneurship without the high costs associated with traditional brick-and-mortar establishments. With a computer, internet connection, and the right mindset, you can launch a successful venture from the comfort of your home. In this video, we'll explore some of the best online businesses that are ideal for beginners. One of the most accessible online businesses for beginners is dropshipping. This model involves setting up an online store and partnering with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. You don't need to invest in stock upfront, which minimizes financial risk. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to create a professional-looking store. With dropshipping, your primary focus will be on marketing and customer service, allowing you to learn and grow as you go. Another great option is affiliate marketing. This business model involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission on sales generated through your referral links. You can start by creating a blog, YouTube channel. For those with a flair for creativity, selling handmade or custom products online can be a fulfilling and profitable venture. Websites like Etsy, eBay, and even your own e-commerce store can serve as platforms to showcase your products. Whether it's jewelry, artwork, or personalized gifts, there's a market for unique, handcrafted items. This business allows you to turn a hobby into a source of income while connecting with customers who appreciate the personal touch. Online tutoring and teaching is another promising option, especially if you have expertise in a particular subject or skill. Platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, and Udemy allow you to create and sell courses or offer one-on-one tutoring sessions. The demand for online education has skyrocketed, and this trend shows no signs of slowing down. You can teach anything from academic subjects to hobbies like playing an instrument or cooking, making it a versatile choice for many. Freelancing offers a flexible and scalable way to start an online business. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, web development, or digital marketing, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. As you build your portfolio and client base, you can increase your rates and take on larger projects. Freelancing allows you to work on diverse projects, gaining valuable experience and honing your skills while earning an income. Blogging remains a popular and lucrative online business for beginners. Starting a blog requires a minimal investment, and you can write about topics you're passionate about. Monetization strategies include affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and ad revenue through programs like Google AdSense. With consistent effort and quality content, a blog can attract a large audience and become a significant source of passive income. In conclusion, there are numerous online businesses that beginners can start with minimal investment and risk. From dropshipping and affiliate marketing to freelancing and social media consulting, each option offers unique opportunities to leverage your skills and interests. By choosing a business model that aligns with your strengths and passions, you can embark on a rewarding entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on starting and growing your online business.